I know y'all can't see me, but I just got to the gym and it is really early in the morning and I'm tired, but I'm ready to go. Tip number 1 is going to be to park far away from wherever you're going, and that will make you walk further. I keep track of my steps on my Apple Watch. You can keep track of your steps on really anything. You don't have to have an Apple Watch, but you can even use your phone. And that's my number 1 tip, is to park far away from your destination. So you have to walk further, and you get a little bit more exercise. Every single morning I have half a cup of oats and 1 scoop of protein powder and an avocado. That is my go-to breakfast every morning. It fills me up. It is so delicious. And I do, prior to actually putting the protein powder in, I do cook the oats in the microwave for 1 minute. And then I stir my protein powder in with the oats, and it is absolutely delicious. So I have my protein, I have my fats with the avocado, and I have my carbohydrates with the oatmeal. And I take the same vitamins every single day. I take a vitamin C, I take calcium and probiotic, and I also have a women's daily vitamin pill that I actually ran out of, but I take that one as well. And I always have that right after my breakfast, and then I take my dog outside to go to the bathroom and play, and then I get ready for work. Do have one item that I have to ship out today. Besides that, I am going to take a few photos, and I need to do my sharing, and I need to do my listing and relisting. So every single day I do try to do relisting. I think that's really important, just from what I've seen, like with my sales. Every time I relist, I get so much more attraction on those items that were sitting in my closet for such a long time, but since I relisted them, I've seen them actually sell. So it's working for me more and more every time I do it. So I'm going to continue doing my relisting, as well as, of course, listing new items. Now, I do have a few items that I need to list that I currently have, but my inventory is getting very low. So my goal is to start online sourcing for inventory, and I have to contribute this to my friend Brittany with Essential Endeavors on YouTube, because she does online thrifting, and honestly that is what I need to start doing, because I do not have time anymore to spend an hour to 3 hours. Sometimes I would go for 4 hours and go thrifting. I don't have that time anymore, and I'm not going to spend my entire weekend in a thrift store. I just don't want to do that. Maybe in the winter time, but not right now in the summertime. So I decided I'm going to start online thrifting, probably only unless I feel like spending my day at the thrift store. But honestly, I think the online sourcing for right now, and with my life situation and work, everything, I'm going want to start doing online sourcing. So you guys saw my breakfast was oats. I put protein powder in my oatmeal and every morning, and I have an avocado. And I find that to really fill me up, and therefore I have my 3 macros, which is fats, protein, and carbohydrates. And I have my lunch around 12 or 1 o'clock, and then I'll have like a snack around like 3. I bring like some fruit with me and stuff. And then I'll have my dinner once I get home. So I hope that you all enjoy this video, and I'll see you in the next clip. Guys, it is the next day, and I stopped vlogging yesterday, so I decided that I'm gonna pick it up and make it like a couple days of my life. So today it's a day off, it's the weekend, so I am actually focusing specifically on reselling and my YouTube content. I need to get a couple of items packaged up because I sold them, and I also need to record some YouTube videos. I will be recording shortly with Brittany with Essential Endeavors in about 1 hour, so I'm gonna get a few things done before I do my recording with her, and then I am going to focus on YouTube as well today, and I do have to do a lot of studying. I'm in the process of getting my license to become a mortgage loan officer, so I do have a lot of studying to do as well, but I want to get these things done before, and then the rest of the evening I can focus on just studying. I'm showing you all a little behind the scenes of me taking photos, and I know I've mentioned this a million times in my videos, but the area that I'm in right now is very temporary because we are in the middle of building our own house. So I am just using this closet door and my ring light to take photos of my listings, my items. So once we are in our own home, I will have my own dedicated area, and I'm going to have like a really nice like background and everything for my reselling platforms. But if you are in my situation and you're in a temporary position where you don't have a whole lot to go off of for taking photos, just use a closet. I'm sure everyone's closet is white. You might even have like a white wall if you are able to put a hole in your wall or stick something on your wall. But I just use this white closet, and I use my ring light, which gives a very, very nice, crisp white glow. And I'll have my ring light link in the description box. You can just get it off of Amazon. And that is how I take my photos. So I'm just gonna knock out I think I have 3 items that I have 3 items that I'm gonna list or take photos of and list right now before I have about 40 minutes to hop on with Brittany. So I just want to get a few of these done while I have a little bit of time, and then yeah, that's about it. Part of being on YouTube, it is very time consuming, but I absolutely love it, of course. So right now I am on my laptop here, just going over what clips I have to get my video ready, and just kind of making sure that everything has a good flow, because I am doing a vlog style video. Obviously you're watching this right now, so I am putting the clips together so that they go in a cohesive order, and I can kind of get them ready ahead of time so that when I do go to edit the entire video, everything's very cohesive and flows very well together. So that is my plan for right now, is just kind of getting the video started, and then I am going to do some online sourcing, and hopefully I can find some pretty good items that I can actually purchase to resell. So that's my plan for right now, and take my dog out because she is crying. She wants to go play outside. So my dog is completely spoiled, and she gets to go into the pool every single single day. What dog gets to go into a pool every single day? So this is Sadie, and this is what she's doing right now. Every single day she's in a pool. I mean, I always say, like, she is the most spoiled dog ever, but we love her to death. So this is Sadie, and she's just having a blast right now. Sadie, where's your Frisbee? Go get your Frisbee. Sadie, come here, bring me your Frisbee. Let me see. Good girl. Good girl. Oh, and she loves to whack her Frisbee around and smack herself in the face. Good girl, Sadie. That's a good girl. So now I am in my room just doing some online sourcing to see if I can find any items that I could do bundles for, and just do some more online sourcing because, and I mentioned this in the video that Brittany has going live today, Monday as well. So online sourcing has to be my new option now because quite frankly, I just don't have the time to spend at the thrift store, spending hours there and possibly not finding any inventory like I did the other day, and I just don't have the time for it. So online sourcing is going to be my go-to now, so I can really actually find just more inventory. That is my goal. So I'm gonna spend a little bit of time just doing some research on online sourcing. So that is what I'm going to do right now. Now, I have to spend a little bit of time doing some research on some online sourcing that I'm going to do. I'm super excited, so I will have that purchased and ready to go very soon. But the next thing I'm going to do to just plan out the upcoming week. I like to do this on the weekends, whether it's Saturday or Sunday, and just kind of plan out what I'm going to do for the upcoming days, whether it is reselling, whether it is personal life, and YouTube. So I will plan my videos in advance. I am starting to actually record and schedule them in advance again. I used to do that and it worked so well for me. So I'm going to be doing that again now. So I'm just gonna sit here for a little bit and go over some of my plans, put them in my planner, and I use pencil. I do use this pencil because plans change, guys. Plans always change. So if you can, you know, erase that plan and maybe schedule it for a different day, then it will actually get done. So that's what I plan on doing. So I think I'm going to end the video here. I really hope that you all enjoyed this like couple days in my life and kind of saw like what I do during the work day and on the weekends. And my dog is squeaking her toy. That's why you hear that squeaky noise. But I really hope that you all enjoyed this and just sharing little bits and pieces of my life with you all. And I want to say thank you so much for staying and sticking around and watching my videos and commenting and just being able to share your reselling experiences with me as well. It's been really, really fun to just actually have a community on YouTube, and I can't believe I have over 6,000 people that are actually watching my videos. It's really amazing. So thank you guys so much from the bottom of my heart for supporting me. Sadie. So thank you guys so much from the bottom of my heart for supporting me. It literally means the world to me, so I appreciate you guys so much. So I hope that you all enjoyed this video, and be sure to subscribe if you have not subscribed already, and give this video a big thumbs up on your way out, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye, y'all.